you don't have to start, when you start investing in multifamily and apartments, you don't have to start with a 220 unit like this. Okay, I didn't start with this one, but it's where we're at today. And we own a bunch of these, right? You look down this alleyway here, you're gonna see buildings for days. Well, we didn't start with a 220. You could start with a 10 unit, and then a 20 unit, and then a 40 unit, and then an 80 unit, then a 160 unit. You start small, use what I call the domino effect, right? The domino effect is where you start with a 10, then a 20, then a 40, then an 80, then a 160, right? And then financial independence is around the corner. If you want that, guys, you want to start small, go to callwithjosh.com, register for free. We'll be doing some free webinars, teach you how you do it, how you start small, how to get free in 5 with the domino effect.